Hi, we are going to walk you through the NADA Bookout process. The first thing you'll want to do when you arrive on this web page is to start by selecting the RV option. Then you are going to select the Start Here button. This page will display a variety of manufacturers, so you'll just want to select the manufacturer for your unit. In this example, our unit is Heartland. This next page will list all the models for your manufacturer. So you want to make sure you select the year of your model and then scroll down until you find your unit. In this example, our unit is in the Sundance series from Heartland. Once you select your unit, you'll want to type in your zip code. Hit Continue. Then once you're on this next page, it's critical that you go through each of these options and choose the features your model has. For example, this unit has a 10,000 to 12,000 BTU furnace for air conditioning and heating. We'll go ahead and also select 11,000 BTU and swamp cooler. You'll want to continue this process for every single category listed. Once you reach the bottom, go ahead and hit Continue. You'll then be directed to this page, which displays all of the information about your model. Be sure to check over this one more time for accuracy. We will need this whole document, but the most important numbers are the totals listed at the bottom. To send this to us, go ahead and hit the three dots at the top of your web page and then click Print. Once you click Print, you'll save the page as a PDF and then email it to us. Let us know if you have any further questions.